Hello people, welcome to Tom's Charts and How I Trade. Please remember, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before buying or selling assets. I manage my own money and nobody else's. Please, don't follow me as you will be bankrupt. Before I start, did you know? 92% of people lose money trading assets. If you like this video, please give me the thumbs up or down. For charts I use investing.com, tradingview.com and walletinvestor.com. Investing.com, you can put stocks, commodities, crypto, bonds and FX pairs into your favorites. I am not a day trader. I'm an investor in gold, copper, crypto and silver. I don't use leverage. I either own the asset or don't. I never trade with emotion. That sounds okay, but the truth is my relationships, including marriage, run the same way. This is the basic chart from investing.com. As you can see, it's a basic line chart. They normally run this type of chart on mainstream media. Why do they use this chart? Because it's as much use as a sponge dildo at a lesbian party. We are going to use Tesla in this example. I've personally never held this stock, but the charts will tell us how to trade it. After the next crash, Tesla could be one of the very few stocks left. I'm a technical swing trader, looking at doing between 4 and 6 trades per year. Please click Technical Chart. Top right hand corner of the chart. This is the basic technical chart from investing.com. This is Tesla over the last 14 days or so. On an upward trend, make higher highs. There's only about 10 good stocks since the Wuhan. Tesla is one of them. Could I trade with this chart? No, I need to add some trading indicators and chart time frames. My trading workstation setup? 4 monitors, 2 tablets and 2 phones. For technical swing trading, I'm only trading one asset at a time. I'm going to add Heikin-Ashi bars, designed by a 14th century Japanese rice trader that correctly completed his first 100 trades in profit. Let's add some more indicators. I'm going to add Bollinger Bands. These bands will show you the moving average. The upper and lower lines show the asset top and bottom of that range. These indicators suit me, but may not suit everyone. Let's move on and add one more indicator. I'm going to add the MACD. This is a very useful tool for entering and exiting a trade. It also shows strength and weakness. I will format the lines so you can see them more clearly. Now let us look at a 3-year chart. Started off at around 90 USD and now nearly 260. Very nice profit over 3 years. But a good technical swing trader would have taken profit along the way, gaining more shares on the dip, taking profit at 255, 400, 360, 280 and 260 today. You can clearly see Tesla is overextended. Looks like it could do with a healthy pullback. This is a monthly chart and day bar. You can clearly see the entry point. First week in May. The MACD crossover and low volume. This is a classic swing trade. The trend is your friend to the end. I would follow this from 160 to 260 and exit. $100 profit per share. Not to be scoffed at. Remember, greed is not good. Again, you can clearly see the bars moving north of the moving average. I still would have taken profit last Friday when we had the first pullback. This is a 5-minute day chart. Last Friday where I would take profit. But the very clever traders would have shorted Tesla last Friday only. I never short the market, even though I'm a perma bear. This last chart is for day traders. I don't day trade anymore. 1. I live in the wrong time zone. 2. Sitting in front of trading screens for 12 hours a day is not fun. Lastly, the way I trade, it's very easy for me. At the moment, cash is king. When I say that, I mean the USD is still king. 60% of the world's debt is in USD. Now the Fed has cut the M2 money supply. Countries like China, Russia, South Africa, India, Brazil, Argentina, Lebanon, Egypt and Turkey are struggling to obtain USD. At the same time, the Fed has increased the Fed rate faster than any time in the last 40 years. This is creating economic chaos in Europe and UK. They can't raise their rates without crashing pension funds and the economy. They have never recovered from 2008 banking crisis or the Wuhan. So, remember to take your profits on the way up. This is not one of my normal videos. But some of you requested how do I trade. Please give a thumbs up or down. No offense taken and please don't send me money. We are rich enough. I give 10% of my income to the poor and those that are less well off. If you see someone down on their luck, please stop and give them some loose change. It's very good for your karma. Cost nothing to be nice. Anyway, hope to see you on this Sunday show. Until then, stay safe and be nice to each other.